Hello guys, thanks for jumping back into my channel. This is MindYourCrypto. My name is Bill and today we are going to make a technical analysis and a price prediction for Rarible. So guys, if you had to ask me yesterday if I have to buy Rarible or not, I would suggest you to buy. And that's because of this blue line here. We are in Tether USD at trading you in the daily chart frame. So guys, if you had to ask me what should I do yesterday, I would tell you to buy, and that's because we passed beyond this support line here at 22. Okay guys, so why was this line so much important for you to focus and realize it? Because here it was a resistance level, 2nd March. Okay, here also 22 February, 21 February, and we had the support line, the previously resistance line, which became a support line 4th March and 5th March, guys. So along with the MACD, which is pretty bearish, and I will explain to you now, because this with the orange line is our signal line and the MACD is the blue line. When the MACD is beyond the signal line, we are in a bearish scenario, guys. We're in a bearish situation. This is not always a bad situation, because guys, when we have such a bearish scenario, then maybe it's a buying opportunity. Maybe you should buy. Okay, but we always have to focus on other indexes as well, relative strength index, commodity channel index, that I will explain to you later. So now guys, this is a pretty bullish candle here. I expect Rarible to do very well in the midterm. Okay, but I want to see some more action of it, but I think that Rarible will do very good in the midterm, because I think this was the lowest point we could get. I doubt that we will test this line here. I doubt it very much, but I think that this was the bottom here for Rarible, and this is a very good opportunity. Even if it drops, even if we see a drop, this is a very good buying opportunity. But let's proceed quickly to the relative strength index. You can see here the commodity channel index with a yellow line. We had an oversold situation. So when we have an oversold situation, this is a buying opportunity, guys. Okay, and the relative strength index, you can see here it fell down a bit, then it goes up again. Same with the commodity channel index. This shows us a trend, guys, and the trend seems to go upwards. But of course, this is my advice. You should always do your own research. If I were you, I would buy Rarible. But let's go quickly to the Bollinger Bands. What do the Bollinger Bands tell us, guys? The Bollinger Bands are mainly because we need to see the squeeze points, especially in the cryptocurrency market, when the volatility is always high, because we don't have much adoption yet, especially in many coins, many new coins coming. That's why we can see a total pump up of a price action about 35%, and then boom, a correction in the next day around 40%, guys. So let's see here the squeeze point. When we have this distance between the lines, this minor distance between the lines, then this is we call it a squeeze point, and then this is a buying opportunity. Here in this market in Rarible, we have a high volatility, so the higher the volatility, guys, the higher is the risk. But I wouldn't go into far analyzing Bollinger Bands, because we need to analyze them with the total market and other indexes as well. So because Rarible has a very high volatility, that doesn't mean you shouldn't buy right now, okay guys? But if we see a squeeze point in the Bollinger Bands, then I will tell you immediately that this is a buying opportunity. Let's proceed quickly to our 20-day EMA with a yellow line, 30-day with the orange line, 50-day with the red line. As you can see here, guys, the yellow line, the orange line, and the 50-day line, EMAs, that's EMAs, played a significant role, because they played the resistance level in the previous days for Rarible. You can see here 21st March, it hit the 20-day EMA. That was our resistance level. Orange line here, 24th March. And now we're going up to see if we can break through the 50-day EMA. And you can see here also the 20 March. That's why we had a huge sell pressure here, as you can see, guys, because it went up to this resistance level I was talking about, and that happened to be our 50-day EMA line. So they always play a significant role. That's why I always consider EMAs into my technical analysis, and as well the moving average, but I want to make the video short, so I want to explain as much as possible in a short way for you to understand and when to buy and when to sell. Okay, guys? So that's my price prediction for Rarible. I think it will go upwards in the midterm, short term, and this is a very bullish candle, guys. So we need to see by the end of the day where this candle will go. I expect it to go higher, and I expect Rarible to move higher in the short and mid term. So this here was a pretty good buying opportunity. If you had bought here, guys, then that was pretty good choice. Thanks a lot for watching me. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you guys in the next videos. Bye.